Hey, welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. Today I'm going to finish up the Mercury I've been working on and just put a final polish on it. And just a quick rundown. It was primered with Duplicolor primer. It was base coated in silver. And then I used Metal Cast green. And then after that was dry, I clear coated it. And then I just went over it with just regular old turtle wax. And now that it's done, take Novus #1 polish, shake it up real good, and it's a liquid. It's not a cream, it's just a liquid. Get you a good rag. You just rub it on there, and this stuff leaves a good wax, like dust repellent. So if you're going to put your models out on the shelf without them being in a case, this is a good product to use. And you just go over the whole car. Just get you a little bit on there. Just go over. Now you gotta be careful doing this, that you don't rip off any emblems or door handles or what have you. You just kind of want to go over it and get all the fingerprints and where you've handled it. And you take your dry rag. This is where you gotta be careful you don't rip off anything. And that's all there is to it. And then I'll finish polishing the rest of the car, and that one will be done and ready to go on the shelf.